How to change TikTok algorithm. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Content Preferences. Now tap on Refresh your For You feed. Here, tap on Continue at the bottom for a fresh start. Then tap on Refresh. You have now successfully launched a new feed. Following these steps, you can easily change TikTok algorithm. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.